Hello friends, welcome to Study Biology. I am Anshu in front of you with my new video on eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell. In this video we are going to talking about difference and similarity between eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. So when you have seen this prokaryotic, so this prokaryotic word comprises of two things, pro and karyon. So this pro means primitive and karyon means nucleus. So in this prokaryotic cell, primitive type of nucleus is found. And in this prokaryotic cell, that nuclear envelope is absent, so the genetic material here is not enveloped by nucleus membrane, nuclear envelope, and the chromated material of prokaryotic cell is scattered in the cytoplasm. And whereas in eukaryotic cell, so these cell arises evolved after prokaryotic cells. And in eukaryotic cell, nucleus is present and nuclear envelope is also present. So the genetic material is enveloped by nuclear envelope, and the chromatin material is enclosed in the nucleus, not it is scattered in the cytoplasm. So now looking at the differences. So in prokaryotes, the cell is single cell, and eukaryotic multicellular cell. But there is an exception in prokaryotic cells. Some cyanobacteria may be multicellular. And nucleus difference, so in prokaryotic nucleus is absent, and in eukaryotic nucleus is present as well as nuclear envelope also. Nuclear envelope. And third difference is chromosome. So as I said that in prokaryotic chromatin material is studied in the cytoplasm, so true chromosome is absent in prokaryotic cell, and in eukaryotic cell true chromosome is present. Now we see DNA. So in prokaryotic DNA is circular, and in eukaryotic cell DNA are linear DNA. Then prokaryotic cells, the DNA are supercoiled, and they are wrapped around the tetramer unit of HU protein in prokaryotic cell. And whereas in eukaryotic cells they are wrapped around histone protein. So histone protein is divided into 5 types: H1, H2, H3, H4, and this is H2A and H2B. So these are 5 types of histone protein, they are divided. So after this, now we are talking about the difference of ribosome. So as we know, the function of ribosome is only protein synthesis in the cell. So in prokaryotes, the ribosome are 70S, and in eukaryote they are 80S. So this is the difference of ribosome. And when talking about other body cell organelles. So cell organelles like endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, perisomes, centrosomes. So all these cell organelles are absent in prokaryotic cell and present in eukaryotic cell. So this is the difference of this. So we are talking about difference of pili and fimbriae. So these pili and fimbriae do the function of attachment. Means in prokaryotic cells, during the process of reproduction, during the process of conjugation, they are help in attachment. So they are present in prokaryote, and in eukaryote, pili and fimbriae. These two words, pili and fimbriae, are absent in eukaryote cell. In pili, pilin protein is present. So these are different of pili and fimbriae. Now I am talking about flagella. So in prokaryotes, flagella has 9+0 arrangement, and in eukaryote it is at 9+2 arrangement. In prokaryote, flagella has 3 parts: basal body, shaft, and hood. These are 3 parts of flagella. These are the 3 parts of flagella. So these are 3 parts of flagella, and there are also difference of ring difference. There are ring name S, M, L. These rings are present in flagella. So there are also difference of these rings in prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. We are going to see this in our next videos. So this is a flagella, and now the microfilament and microtubules. So these are microfilament and microtubules help in the formation of cytoskeleton. So these things are also absent in prokaryote and present in eukaryotic cells. And then one point I forget, that in flagella, the azonema and sheet, the two things named azonema and sheet. These two things absent in prokaryotic cell, but they are present in eukaryotic cells. So talking about this difference now, some difference are like sexual reproduction. So sexual reproduction in prokaryotic cell is absent, and in eukaryotic cell sexual reproduction is present. And one difference is cell division difference. So when there is cell division, so in cell division there are phases named interphase, M phase, S phase. So in prokaryotic there is no distinctive phase like interphase, S phase and M phase, but in eukaryotic they have a distinctive phase like interphase, S phase. So and I have to mention one difference of intron. So what are intron? Intron are the coding regions. Coding region means this is an whole intron and this is the part. So these part are S zone. These are non-coding regions, and remaining these are coding region. So this is the intron. So in prokaryote introns are absent. So the RNA not have to be spliced before transcript, and in eukaryote intron and exon are present. So RNA have to be spliced before it transcript. So this is the whole major difference. And we are talking about size. So in prokaryote the size is 1 to 10 μm. In eukaryote it is 1 to 100 μm. When we are saying the smallest cell, so that is the smallest cell, that is PPLO. It is a mycobacterium. Its size is 0.1 μm. So the size difference. Now the last difference is endocytosis and exocytosis. These two processes, endocytosis and exocytosis, are absent in prokaryotes and they are present in eukaryotic cell. So what is endocytosis and exocytosis? So these are the bulky phenomena, bulky cell phenomena, or the bulky transport phenomena present in the cell. So exocytosis, in exocytosis what we are going to see, the cell expelled out this material from the vesicle. And in endocytosis is divided into three. First, phagocytosis. Phagocytosis means cell eating, but it is a phenomena when this cell take the material inside it, so it's related to cell eating. And second is pinocytosis. Pinocytosis means cell drinking. In the cell drink out this fluid material. And the third is receptor mediated endocytosis. So this is a specific type, so much specific and selective type of endocytosis. It only allowed only selective material into the cell. So this is about the bulky phenomena, endocytosis and exocytosis. So last we are going with the examples. So in prokaryotic, bacteria and archaebacteria are the example. We also include eubacteria, that is already bacteria, and in eukaryotic, animal and plant cell. These are multicellular cells. So thank you friends. This is my whole video on eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell. I hope you like it. Please subscribe and comment below. Thank you.